Presenting the 2007 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.